No, that's how it always ends.
No, you said there was a different ending.
Oh, for you. Bring it on, punk.
Was not ready. Wait, I forgot I can get up.
Dang it. Ow. Ah. Do you rip my head out or off, or just rip my heart out? Dang, freaking.
I'm so fast. I won that one.
You did?
What?
You were standing on the thing. No, no, no. Okay, 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 okay.
What? No. No.
Bring it on, punk. I jumped right into that. Ow, freaking.
Oh, come on. I almost ducked under it.
Dude, I'm so gonna kill you so hard. Ah, that was totally just a plan to get my sword.
You always do that, and I always just run into it. Oh, come on. I tried to throw it again.
Final screen, baby.
Oh, no!
Oh, I'm gonna keep
No!
you on that bridge. Okay.
No! Come on!
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, gosh. Oh. Okay.
No! Caleb, get off this bridge, please.
Come and fight me.
Oh.
Ah.
What? That was boom.
Sorry, I was coughing. That's what happened.
No! You could win this by standing there. Making it rain.
Look at those dance moves.
Ooh, ooh. Look at my guy. That was great. Did you see my guy went like, whoa? That's a dance, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't really know the story of this game. And there's this one, there's roofs, so.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. It's the one time that I could have jumped. Whoa. It's ninja grass.
And there's grass.
We both did the same.
Dang it.
Wait. Ah. Ah. No. I'm gonna grab the pigeon.
It's a squirrel.
Ah.
No. Frog hops. Dang it. Oh, ninja.
Ah, my nexies.
I don't like the grass. It's so disorienting. Final screen.
No.
Ah, ah.
Ninja.
I just fell through the window.
No.
I like how you can just go and fall. Like there's
Ha.
two ways to get down from ledges. You can jump down or just fall over. Oh, I was trying to show you.
Okay. There.
No, like get up. Look, I don't have a weapon. Just move so I don't fall on you. You can either jump down, then you land on your feet, or if you're on a ledge and you just walk forward, you fall. Anyways, let's fight.
Alright.
See that the cartwheel I did? Oh wait, you're winning. Crap, because I was winning. Oh. Well, what? You deserve that, admit it.
I got this, guys.
Don't worry, I got you. Dang it, I tried to jump over you.
No, I tried. I rolled under that. So cool.
I'm sorry. Dang it.
Duh. That
Wait,
was
is
dumb.
this the final screen? Oh, this is too.
Dude,
This is the last fight. What?
I thought it would work. That was great.
This is the final fight. Headbutts into the spear.
It was a close game. Close game.
Close name.
Can you dodge it?
I've been trying this entire time.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, now go to the special one.
The mines. The gimmick with this one is treadmills, which is really annoying.
What am I?
This is also where the
This thing
worms
hit you?
are.
Let's see if I can hit you. Caleb! Darn.
Dang it.
My weenie! You broke my arms.
Also, yeah, you can't throw weapons in here.
Once again. How do you do that?
You just keep walking into my blade.
No, but I walked pretty
Look,
good.
look, look. Look, I'll walk right into you.
Oh! Wow.
See
Oh,
if
I get it. So you have to tap like this?
Yeah, that's to keep your weapon drawn. Freaking ow, ow.
Blah. Alright. Oh.
Final screen. Ow.
No. I'm gonna run this way.
Dang it.
Come on, I gotta get back.
Dang it.
Come on, let's go.
You always do best when you don't have any weapons.
No, I hate when you... What am I supposed to do there? I love how my hand's going kind of with it.
Yeah, you also move like onto the blade if I push into you.
Oh, I did it. Come on, come on, come on. That wasn't a very good plan.
Eh. Oh.
Oh, yes.
Okay, actually, yeah.
Wait, what? Wait, you got it? No way.
I was
What?
alive this time. You just kicked me and left me there.
No.
Oh, that was close. Oh, crap. Bring it on, punk.
No. Caleb, don't.
Why did I put my blade up?
Because I was jumping. I bet you a kick.
I guess. But anyways, there's nothing you can do here if I keep my blade down here.
Aw, I was trying to trip you.
Dang it.
What? How'd you do that?
Trick shots.
Caleb's a cheater.
I don't know how I did that. I just did this.
No, no, no.
Okay, I got my blade back. We're ready to fight. Oh wait, why did I stay there? I had...
What? That was so
What?
annoying.
Bring it on, punk. Did I get you to stab yourself in the face?
Whatever.
Bring it on, punk.
He's slowly getting smaller.
Why did I fall off?
No.
Oh, I thought you would land on my blade.
You're getting so used to it. No.
You have the worst strategy. Dang it.
Correct. Worst strategy. Eh. Good.
You have a sword now. But oh, I could have stabbed. I keep forgetting you can stab in this game. I keep just relying on putting the blade in the right place. Dang it. Okay, I'm okay.
No.
Come and get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Dun-dun-dun. Aw. Had it. What?
Why'd you jump in? Oh! Okay. Oh, I have the coughs.
No.
Yeah!
Alright, let's see if it's different.
Face.
Oh, it's little worm puppets. See, it's little babies. I didn't even notice that.
Hey, my sword. That's a floor.
Oh, that's cute.
Anyways, that's this game, so it's just kind of a fun...
It's a great game.
Yeah. The same with like Crawl.
Like, it's like a pizza slice game.
Yeah. Like having a party.
And
have
you
a
like
slice of
last pizza slice, and then you like, yeah.
It's like
great.
instead of rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, rock paper scissors sucks, and
I think
it's
Castle's
rigged.
my favorite.
Yeah.
Bring it on. Poops. How about a fair fencing fight?
Okay.
So no.
That's fair in my book. Something like that never happens in when me and my buddies fence.
That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about a real fencing tournament. I get free pass. No, why?
That's not how it works.
Yes, it is, because I won. I disarmed you.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
How did you do that roll thing? How did you pick up the and roll?
Well, you just roll over it.
Impressive. I'm gonna hit it. Come here, guys.
I don't know why I threw my sword that way. Dang, why do you never pick up a sword? Freaking, I'm so done with this.
Just
I hate this so much. The freaking. I hate you.
oh, whatever.
I hate you so much.
I'm sorry, I'm not very good at not walking into blades.
Dance, 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 dance.
Walking into blades is just like natural instinct, I think.
I hate you. I need to learn to stab. It's a game about stabbing, and I'm not stabbing.
See, I walked in that one too.
Why didn't I stab?
I don't really know why I didn't. You're used to just me walking into it.
them.
No.
Where'd you put the sword?
In my dead body. Wait, no.
Why did I throw the sword? That was a bad idea. Ooh. No, oh, I almost had it. Alright, bring it on.
No, come on, Caleb. Stop that.
I will never stop that. What? Oh, I need to get my timing on the X button down.
See,
See,
you
stab.
stabbed though.
It's so useful.
Oh, oh,
Why did I
oh,
frog
oh, I did that.
You know what? If I stay here, you have no chance. Dang it.
I'm so good at
So
this game.
proud.
Oh no. If I stay here, he can't get me. Da da da. Da da da. I'm Caleb. If I'm here, he can't get me. If I'm here, he can't. Say his last words.
I'm really sad that didn't kill me, to be honest. There's no way it would have, but I'm sad. Oh! Oh, are you scared?
No, come on. Why didn't I go in this room? What the? What?
Because I'm all the way over here. You're not going to spawn on me. Ow. Freaking, why didn't I just keep going? I hate you. Frog jump. Oh, dang it. I was coughing, jerk.
Okay.
Oh, okay, cool.
That was nice.
That was cool.
What? We did the same thing. Why didn't? Well,
No, free.
what? Sorry, I'm really bad.
It's okay, I forgive you. I actually prefer
That was
it
pretty
when
good.
you're
I
mad.
just
See ya.
found. What? No, I didn't kill you. Ah!
You just knocked me over. Thanks. You just gave me a sword. Why did you give me a sword?
No. Boo!
Oh. Nope, not gonna happen.
Oh, you said I'm like. Whoa,
Yeah, you can cartwheel backwards.
How do I do it though?
Hey, hey, what are you doing? Hey, hey,
A?
hey, look at.
I'm trying to do A.
I'm not pressing A. I'm saying hey, hey.
Whatever, Caleb. Oh, I did it.
Oh. Freaking turtles. No, get up. I can't get up.
Got you. No! No, Caleb, no.
I need my sword. I want the worm to see me with my sword. Oh, why didn't I stab?
No, I tried to roll, but I missed.
Get. Aha.
No, Caleb, you're.
Why?
No, it's
why
not.
did
That counts as your kill, you know.
No, it doesn't count as either one. If we both die at the same time.
Ooh. That was dumb. That was really silly. Boo.
He's playing.
Alright. We gotta retry that one.
Do we? Do
Yes.
we really? It's a word.